Learn by reading books as the main source of knowledge in this time. Hello, welcome to this channel, Strong Star channel. And welcome back to those who have been attend our session or watch our video. Today we are going to see some vocabulary. Someone who want to learn English and he already knows kinyarwanda can use to study English well. And even those who know English can use this to learn kinyarwanda by considering the words in English and then those from Kinyarwanda. You're going to start by essential vocabulary. You need to. Let's start by to eat. To eat. In Kinyarwanda is called kurya. Kurya. Another is ibiryo. Biva ku nshinga kurya, ariko icyongereza food, ibiryo. Food, ibiryo. To give, guha. To give, guha. Number 3, to have, kugira. Kugira. To have, kugira. Most time in Kinyarwanda we say mfite. Yeah. Number 4, to study. To study in Kinyarwanda is kwiga. To study, kwiga. Number 5, to go. To go, kujya. Kugenda, kugenda. Number 5, to do, gukora. To do, gukora. Another is work, umurimo, work, umurimo, work. Journey, urugendo, journey, urugendo, urugendo. Number 7, to ask, kubaza, ya gusaba. To ask, kubaza or gusaba. To listen, this is number 8. To listen, kumva. To listen, it means in Kinyarwanda should say gutega amatwi. To listen. Number 9, to excuse. Gusaba imbabazi. Number 10, to sleep. Kuryama. To sleep, kuryama. Kuryama. So this is some vocabulary that can help someone who need to learn Kinyarwanda or who need to learn English while he only know one of that languages, either Kinyarwanda or English. So thanks for watching this video. We will continue to upload different video that can help someone to improve his or her level from certain area, country, all others. So let's hope you enjoy this video. You can write your comment if you want and share to your friends this video for helping each other. Thanks.